All right, joining me now are two special ladies. Both of them had defeated, they had, in fact, they were suffering from coronavirus and they have defeated the coronavirus. And both of them in Ahmedabad, in Gujarat, in fact, donated their plasma, because a lot of people still don't understand, as we also showed in the package, that there are a lot of apprehensions. People don't want to, in fact, give their plasma, which is now turning out to be, at least till the time we find a cure for coronavirus that can completely destroy coronavirus, a life-saving, in fact, situations of sort. Sumiti Singh, she is, in fact, joining us from Ahmedabad. She recovered in Ahmedabad in Gujarat and was the first, in fact, patient who turned corona negative. We are also being joined by, in fact, Smriti Thakkar. She's also joining us from Ahmedabad. Ladies, thank you so much and good evening for joining us here on India Today. I want to start with you, Smriti. You were the first patient who turned corona negative in Ahmedabad. A lot of people at that point of time did not know what plasma therapy is, what was the trial. You were the first possibly to volunteer for this trial. What was the motivation behind that?
So the doctors informed me that I was an able body to be able to give blood plasma, which meant I didn't have any pre-existing illnesses. I had a good hemoglobin. I wasn't on any medication. So there were a couple of criteria that I needed to match to be able to donate my blood plasma. And the doctors informed me that I was somebody who was capable of doing it. And if I was willing, I could do it. So that's when I decided to donate my blood plasma. They also told me it is for a clinical trial and it might be useful in saving somebody's life. And that was one of the main reasons why I decided that, if there's a way for me to give back, then this was it, and I should do it. So,
well,
yeah.
Compliments for volunteering for that. And Smriti, you also gave your plasma. What was going through your mind? Were you clear about the process, about what is going to happen? Was it explained to you?
It was a volunteer decision. The doctors called me and then they explained the whole therapy and how they transfer this plasma component to the patients who are very weak and doesn't have any immunity. So it was a completely safe procedure, and they assured me that there is no kind of risk and everything is sterilized and you won't be having any blood loss and it won't affect your immunity, and you will be very strong and you won't be feeling any kind of weakness or something. So it was like, okay, I had no issues with after getting back to home. I was completely fine. So I took this decision because my blood reports were very nice, my hemoglobin was very good, so I took this decision.
Sumiti Singh, a lot of people would also be worried, or possibly the people, those who have recovered from coronavirus, would be worried about the fact that, I don't know what will happen. Will it pain? What's the process? If you could also, for a lot of people across the country, those who have recovered from this disease, if you could tell us what was the entire process? Was it painful? What was the entire process? How much plasma, in fact, did they draw from your blood?
Plasmapheresis is basically the procedure that one goes through. If you've donated blood, that is the process that is going to be followed. So they they put an injection, and that injection draws out blood. The blood goes into a machine. That machine segregates your blood and your plasma, and then the blood comes back into your body. So this happens in multiple cycles until the time that the amount of plasma they want to take from you is done. For me, I donated 500 ml of plasma. So it took about 2 cycles of blood going out and coming in for me to donate the plasma. Is it painful? It's a prick. Expect that. A normal blood donation process will have a little bit, or you might feel a little nauseous, you might feel a little lightheaded. That's what I also felt, but nothing too uncomfortable, nothing that you can't handle. If you're able to do it, you definitely should do it.
I mean, doctor couldn't have explained it better, and I'm sure coming from you, from somebody who has actually gone through the process, will be reassuring for a lot of people. But Smriti Thakkar, were you afraid? Were you apprehensive about when the doctor said that we would like to use your plasma to treat other patients?
Yeah, I was first worried, but when they assured me that the whole procedure is very safe and there is no kind of blood loss or it won't affect your body or your immunity, and they are taking complete care of, they have sanitized the whole room where this procedure happened since morning. So they took all the precautions, and there were like 8 to 9 doctors and nurses around me taking care of me. They provided me vitamins and everything. So then I had no questions of that.
What would be, Sumiti, your message to other people, those who are watching right now, those who have recovered? Because a lot of people, it's a voluntary process. A lot of people still would be apprehensive. Should every donor, and those who in fact are able-bodied, those who check all the parameters for a donor, should all of them go ahead and in fact donate their plasma?
I had a lot of apprehensions or questions, not apprehensions, more questions in terms of, if I have antibodies, will the doctors, when they take the plasma, will there be any antibodies left for me? Will I get susceptible again? Whether I will feel well after the procedure. The doctors there, they explained to me that there is absolutely nothing to worry about, that there is you're giving just a small portion of the antibodies that your body is capable of making to somebody else, and don't worry, everything will be fine. That's exactly what I have gone through, and I must tell you that if you're able to do it, do it. I've also written extensively about it on my Facebook, and I've shared a video. So in case you want to see it and see what the procedure is like, please go have a look. It's also available on YouTube. So
absolutely. If you have any apprehensions, you can go ahead.
At ease, and you will be able to get it.
And look at all those videos that Sumiti has in fact put forward. But in the end, Smriti Thakkar, I just want to once again ask you, what message would you like to give? Both of you have in fact done a noble deed. Both of you have gone ahead and possibly saved somebody's life. What message would you like to give to potential lifesavers right now, people, those who have fought and won this battle over COVID-19?
I would request them that if you are healthy, your health condition is good, and if doctors try to contact you about this plasma donating thing, so please go ahead because it's not at all painful procedure. It's just like a blood donation. You donate your blood, and the plasma component is collected separately, and then again the blood is transferred to your body. So there is no kind of risk, and don't worry and don't take any tension, and it won't harm you at all. So please go ahead and donate your plasma for the patients who are very weak, who doesn't have any immunity. It can save their life.
It's fantastic to hear from both of you. I just want to, in fact, in the end also, today when the press conference of the Chief Minister of Delhi was on, Dr. Sareen, who is heading this entire process, said that, this will be the biggest service as far as the country is concerned, will be the biggest service to the nation. In the end, Sumiti, they said that this will be possibly the biggest patriotic act that you would be doing for the country. Feel like a hero already?
I'm very happy that doctor has said that, and when I was also donating it, then the doctors thanked me for for me to donate plasma. And for me, it was like, why are they thanking me? I should be thanking them for the work that they're doing, and trying to come out with a cure and trying to save lives. So patriotism is something that the doctors are also doing, and if I'm able to assist or anyone else is able to assist, then there's nothing like it. There's only gratitude from my side to be able to do this as well.
It's very important, the message that both these ladies are putting forward. There is no problem if you go ahead and donate your plasma. If you have fought and survived COVID-19, it will be very, very useful if you can come forward and give your plasma to others, those who are struggling right now till the time we find a magic bullet or a cure for COVID-19. Ladies, thank you so much for doing what you did. We're wishing you all the best, and we are hoping that you will stay healthy and happy in the days to come as well. I'm hoping that this is going to inspire a lot of other survivors.